There are places where ideas get discussed. And there are places where they get built. That place is called Utah. Inside hangars, factory floors, and basements and garages across the Intermountain West, where aerospace and defense systems are pushed to their limits and engineers obsess over the smallest details. Because failure isn't an option. This is hard tech. Companies and innovations that are rooted in complex physical hardware and deep scientific breakthroughs, shaping aerospace, defense, and manufacturing as an all-in-one effort to strengthen national security. America's fastest growing aerospace, defense, and hard tech ecosystem is growing here, and we want you to experience it. Introducing Hard Tech Week. 5 days of demos, tours, technology, and the people behind it all leading up to the flagship Zero Gravity Summit. Come see what gets built here.